Hi, ni hao! It's been a little over a month since I moved to Chongqing, China, and well, I haven't posted any videos. And because I know that a lot of you are interested in what life is like in China, I've decided to share with you some of my experiences here. And we gotta start somewhere, so I suggest I show you where I live. It's time for an apartment tour. Ready? Come with me then. Oh, you can't walk? I'll take you then. I'm breaking stuff already. First thing I want to show you is the elevators here in China because they're something else. The entire building is very nice and clean, but the elevators don't reflect that at all. I mean, just look at this. It looks terrible. Very, very disgusting. And when I first came to this building to see my apartment, I was, let me say the least, afraid that this is what my apartment's gonna look like as well. This is the hallway that leads to my apartment door, which are locked with this pin code system. And as soon as you enter the apartment, you see an overview of everything. The doors on the right lead to the bathroom, and this room serves as kitchen as well as entry hall. Right next to the main door is a shoe cabinet that can actually store quite a few pairs of shoes. And on top of it, I have my trusty brand new rice cooker that I do not know how to use yet because I don't understand what all the buttons are supposed to do. They're all in Chinese. I don't know. I'm just pushing buttons randomly for now and hoping for the best result. Anyway, next to the rice cooker, I have a big drinkable water bottle with a pump on top. Let me demonstrate how to use it. Take a glass or a cup or anything that will hold water. Open the lid, press the pump, catch the water, that part is important, and voila! Enjoy a cup of water that will not kill you. Do not drink tap water, however. It is poison and it will make you very, very sick. Pour that thing out right now. So this wall is all there is to this kitchen. There's a sink, a few cupboards, a few of them don't even open though, so I don't know, no drawers. But there is this one induction stovetop that I'm still trying to figure out how to properly use because everything is full power blasting heat all the time. Anyway, there's a huge fan on top of it, which is useful when things burn. Alright, let's move to the next room. This is a bathroom, a toilet, and a shower all in once. It's called a wet room, if I'm not mistaken. It does the job as much as it's unusual for me to shower standing next to the toilet on the floor. And this mop here is a necessity because everything gets wet in here. So after every shower, I mop the floors and wipe down the toilet. So I guess at least it's always clean in here. Alright, next up is the main living area. There's a massive fridge in one corner. Next to it is a massive couch. Not my favorite color, but oh well. In another corner is a dining area with a big dining table that expands. Across from the couch is an entertainment system with a TV that I've never used before. Next to the TV, there's a shelf which is filled with some of my small items, just to decorate it a little bit. There's my beautiful succulent plants. How nice are these? I got the first teacup one as a housewarming present from Samantha, and I just had to get some more. They make me happy and I won't apologize for getting them, okay? That's my wooden boxes that serve as candle holders currently. A MIDI controller. This instrument that was gifted to me by my lovely mom. An opened candle and a flower crown. And this beautiful bottle of supposedly spicy homemade alcohol beverage. It was also gifted to me by Samantha. At the far end of the room, there's a big wardrobe, windows, and a bed. this is an overview of the apartment from the window corner. And I bet you didn't know this. There's a balcony hidden behind these sliding doors. It's tiny, but it has a washing machine, which again is all in Chinese, so I'm not completely sure what I'm doing when it comes to washing, but so far I haven't ruined everything yet, so yay me! I also use this balcony to hang the clothes to dry. And this is the view from the balcony. The red building in the right corner is where they're building a new subway station. So that's gonna be very convenient once it's built. The chandelier is fancy, but I really like the lighting around the ceiling. So this is what it looks like here. I like living here. It's very comfortable and very pleasant. I have everything I need and more. Would be nice if the tap water wasn't poisonous and the water pressure was higher, but these are really not problems worth mentioning. So this concludes the apartment tour and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like where I live. I most certainly do. It's small but cozy and modern and I like it. I hope you have a good time and I'll see you soon. Bye!